Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. I'm super excited because I have something really special to dive into. Introducing the Hot Wheels Sushi Tuner, a car that's as deliciously fun as it looks. How cool is that? You know how much I love unique and quirky cars, and this one has been on radar for months. And guess what? I finally got my hands on it. Just look at this package. It's absolutely eye catching. Who could resist this? The vibrant design and sushi themed graphics had me hooked from the start. If you want to see more unique car videos, make sure to check out the link card above or the end of the description. I think I have made a bunch of videos on similar cool finds. You won't want to miss. But enough about that. Let's get to the good stuff. It's time for the unboxing. Just look at this imaginative design, clearly inspired by the Japanese cuisine. It features detailed sushi themed graphics, even with the sushi roll on the wheels. How cool is that? The attention to the detail here is seriously impressive. The vibrant red color makes this model stand out in any collection. But it's not just about looks. This little beauty rolls smoothly and handles great on both standard Hot Wheels tracks and smooth surface. Due to its lightweight design means it's going to perform well on those tracks. So whether you are a racing enthusiast or a fan of unique car, the Sushi Tuner is a must-have collectible diecast. Trust me, this standout piece will make a fantastic addition to your collection. Why? Because it's unique. So what do you think? Are you as excited about this sushi tuner as I am? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, if you love unique finds like this, you are in the right place. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.